Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be exploring a tGW series module application. In the oil and gas industry, efficiency and safety are everything. With wellheads and pipelines located in remote, hazardous environments, real-time monitoring is essential to prevent failures, leaks, and costly downtime. Today, we'll explore how the tGW 715 module seamlessly connects field sensors to a central control system, ensuring reliable operations in even the harshest conditions. Before we get into the rest of the video, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more of our informative content. And visit us on our website to learn more about us and our products. Imagine an oil extraction site miles away from the nearest control center. Operators need to track pressure, temperature, and flow rates at multiple wellheads while ensuring valves and safety systems respond instantly to any issues. However, these field devices communicate using Modbus RTU over RS-485, while the SCADA system requires Modbus TCP, IP over Ethernet. Without a reliable gateway, data transmission is slow, inefficient, or even impossible. This is where the tGW 715 becomes a critical component. At the wellhead, sensors continuously measure pipeline pressure, temperature, and flow. Valve actuators adjust flow rates, and gas leak detectors ensure safety. All of these devices operate on RS-485, transmitting data using Modbus RTU. The tGW 715 acts as the bridge between these field devices and the control center. It converts Modbus RTU signals into Modbus TCP, IP, allowing real-time data transmission over Ethernet or a wireless network. This data is then sent to an industrial switch, where it can travel via fiber optic cables or LTE, satellite connections to reach the SCADA system. Inside the control room, operators use SCADA software to monitor all wellhead conditions. If a sensor detects an issue, such as a sudden pressure drop, the system triggers alerts and can automatically shut down valves to prevent pipeline failure. With the ICP DAS USA tGW 715, remote oil and gas sites gain seamless connectivity, real-time monitoring, and enhanced safety. By bridging the gap between Modbus RTU field devices and modern SCADA systems, operations become more efficient, maintenance costs are reduced, and critical failures are prevented before they happen. Technology is transforming the oil and gas industry, and with the right tools, we can build smarter, safer, and more efficient operations. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this a like and subscribe to our channel. And please leave us a comment to let us know what you think or ask any questions related to this application, or visit us on our website and chat with our team to find a solution you're looking for. See you next time.